Hello guys, we're going to eat raw egg challenge by Team Pasaway courtesy by Honest Personal Vlog and also Lake Family Farm. So we'll see kung kaya ko. No reaction daw guys. Mali yung pag ano ko, medyo malaki yung cracks dito. Anyway, I accept their challenge. Kung kaya ko pa rin kumain ng raw egg. Kasi naalala ko na, nung bata pa kami, palagi kaming pinapakain ng raw egg ng nanay at tatay kapag mayroon kaming sakit. At now, meron talaga akong sakit. May ubo tayo, may sinat, kaya yan. Perfect na ano. Kakain tayo ng fresh. Ano to? Napaka-fresh nito. Raw egg. So, ayan. Kailangan lang natin i-open talaga siya, guys. Para diretso-diretso yung pag-ano natin. Pagkain. Diba? At saka, kailangan na walang shells ng egg na makain. Nung bata pa kami, palagi kaming piniprepare ng nanay nito at saka with royal. Royal yun dati eh. So, meron ako ditong orange. Soft drinks din siya. It is almost same as royal. So, ayan. I think perfect na. Try na natin siya. No reaction daw, guys. Let's see. Diba? I did it. Thank you. So, ayan. Tapos, inom tayo ng royal.